Hello everyone, so my name is Jakey and I'm here to unbox the parcel that I ordered last December from Shopee, specifically from iTech Philippines. So this one's the reveal. This one is a graphics card for my PC, my white build that I wanted to finish, and since 2002 I think. So this is 3 years ago and I haven't got any money to buy an GPU, so now I have a chance to order a graphics card from Shopee, so please unbox it. Let's come. First is wrapped very well, so it's hopefully it's safe. It arrived today, this January 4, 2026. So 8 days from when I ordered it. So let's cut this one. I was skeptical on ordering this package because there's a chance that the courier mishandled my parcel and will destroy the component. Since this is electronic, so I ordered an electronic protection. It's a kind of insurance from Shopee. Yes, wrapped very well. Thank you, seller. Bubble wrap for the next layer. Bubble wrap. Let's cut this up. So things wrap. So we have the XFX 9060 XT White Edition. So what's in the box? Let's just unwrap this first. XFX. Hopefully the packaging is protected the GPU itself. Hopefully. Now we have, let's see how this one, XFX Gaming Radeon 9060 XT 16 gig. Packaging is very premium. White edition GPU. It's right in the bottom. Let's open this up. I am so excited. What's in the box? Let's see. It's reversed. Sorry. Let's open this up. For safety installation and latest drivers, please scan the QR code. So this is the manual, user manual. We have the user manual on top. No, it's just a card for the QR code for the drivers. Next, we have foam protection for the GPU itself. Then we have the GPU itself. Ooh, it's so huge. It's kind of heavy. Let's put this here. Okay, nothing else in the box. Just the GPU itself and protected by a foam, layer of foam. Let's put the box down. And we have the GPU itself. It's beautiful. It's covered in protected plastic. I don't know if you can see this, but I admire the color, the design. XFX. Our GPU itself is huge. Perfect for my build. XFX. I bought okay, let's put this one for performance purposes. So I am just gonna play Dota 2 and PUBG. This is the games I installed in my PC, so I will update my review about the performance later on. So for now, it's just an unboxing and initial thoughts about the design of the XFX 9060 XT 16GB version. So Tri-Fan edition. I will have the links on my description box about the seller and the product in Shopee. So as always, thank you for the support, and please like, share, and comment. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and support the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you.